US30 and US100 both stayed bullish throughout the day. Today we have seen US30 achieving 34,720 levels before retracing towards 34,650 again. At the same time, US100 is now trading above 15,400, 15,410, very critical resistance level. So what to expect with the US session? First of all, I hope you all profited with the Asia session, Europe session update today morning, where we have recommended if you can buy at 34,620 level and 15,360 levels here. So this is one part. Now how to profit today with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First Nasdaq100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end and do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. This is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver on time every time, twice a day, updates on major global markets and commodities. Also press the bell icon and join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with US30. Watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts here. See, this was the resistance here at 15,353.60. Since then, US100 is staying bullish. Again, it is trying to give a breakout on the hourly charts, looking upwards. 15,400, very strong resistance, and then I will be looking forward to this zone here at between 15,430, 480 levels. Very strong resistance existed around those levels. Look at the moving average. This is crossed over. This is a bullish sign on the hourly charts. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish here. Coming to 2-hour. Now on the 2-hour charts as well, moving averages have crossed over. See, in the update today morning, we have seen higher lows are seen. This suggests that it is still bullish. Higher highs, this suggests that the possible resistance level for the day is at around 15,450, 480 levels. It can possibly try to attempt and achieve those levels. We have seen that possible symmetric can be formed, and thus it is trying to attempt and achieve those levels, that is 15,450, 460 levels in a hurry. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish, looking upwards. See, this is the first wave. This is the second wave which is initiated. Possibly it may continue on the upside. RSI looking upwards, looking at 3. Now look at 3-hour charts, higher lows, yes, and consistent bullish channel is seen. First target should be at around 430, then 460. Very strong resistance there, and ultimately 500. I do not see it heading towards 500, but yes, it can. These are markets. However, maximum resistance is where I will see is at around 15,450, 480 levels. The stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also trying to give a bullish indication. Now coming to 4. On the 4-hour charts, one point to note: higher lows are seen. Body size is diminishing, and we have to wait where this candle closes, because see, this is diminishing body size, which suggests possibly the next candle could be a red candle, and this candle is just started, so we have to wait for it to break on the upside. Beyond 15,410 you can buy, but then 15,430, 460 zone, very strong resistance, and then 15,480, 500, the next stronger resistance. The stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence, trying to trade with bullishness, looking upwards here. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts also, if you look at, see, higher lows are seen so far. Higher highs, see, this is breached the resistance here at 15,360, and higher highs it is trying to attempt and achieve. If you draw parallel to the previous rise, you can see 15,480, 500 zone is, see, 500 first of all is the ultimate resistance, and it can try to go closer here at around 15,460, 480 levels. Possibly there is a very strong probability for it. The stochastic rising, MACD is in green, RSI is also looking upwards now. So one thing is very clear: a sell entry below 15,280 is there. Only below 15,280 is where you can expect a little bullish bearishness, where one can still expect 15,240, 250 levels as the first target, 15,200 as the next. On the upside, beyond 15,410 is where you can expect 15,440, 460, 480, 500. As long as 15,500 is respected, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bullish, and do not treat this for a reversal. Take positions accordingly. Also, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start today, and 26th batch is going to start first week of October. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start with US30. Now see, US30 on the hourly charts, if you draw a parallel, you will find it is trying to stay in this bullish channel. See, very strong support is seen at around 34,570, 580 zone, and then ultimately 34,550. So as we discussed in the Asia session, Europe session update today, that a bearishness will be seen only and only if you see US30 staying below 34,550. Right now it is well above those levels. In fact, 600, 570 levels are also very good support. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to cross over for a sell. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise, see moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Price is trying to attempt and achieve the moving average. Right now sitting at around 34,570 levels. Very strong support exists there. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Now look at 3-hour chart. See what has happened, the drop, the retracement, and once it breaks below this channel, see once it breaks below 34,500 and then 34,400 levels, remember it is going to give you a very strong breakout, which is going to make things bearish for US30. Right now, if you look at what it has done, it has completely erased the gain from the previous candle within these two candles, and it can try to at best achieve 34,570, 550 zone. Stochastic was overbought, it is cooled. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 4-hour, now see on the 4-hour charts right now, lower lows are seen. Lower highs means it has a probability to again show you a swing, which might take it above 34,700. And if you see it is staying above 34,720, remember 34,800 cannot be denied. Right now, lower lows are done, so possibly lower highs, which suggests it can try to at best swing towards 34,700, 710 levels as well. At the same time, the bearishness is only below 34,550 levels. Stochastic was overbought, it has cooled a bit. MACD is in green, trying to trade with the bullishness. RSI has dropped, trying to stay bearish. Coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can find out the resistance from the 50 and 100 period moving average. Yes, it has crossed over. Yes, it is a bearish sign. Also, lower lows were earlier done. I will recommend you to sell here at 34,570 levels itself, but then 550, very strong support, 550, 540 zone, and then 500. Only below 500 is where the bears will take over. Remember, if you look at the daily charts, you have to draw the parallel there. Higher highs are done, higher lows, which means 34,500 levels, 34,450 levels are going to be a great support on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI flat. Looking at this, I recommend you to sell here at 34,570, expect 540, 50 as the first target, 500 as the ultimate target. Below 500 is where the bears will try to take over, and then we can look forward to 400 and lower levels. On the upside, yes, you can buy at 34,650, but then 34,700, 720 levels is the greater resistance. Beyond that, it is going to strike at 34,800 levels. So take positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and see you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow morning. Watch that as well. Thank you.